Good morning. Good morning. All right. Eeny, meeny, just kidding. It's your guys' turn. Hang on. I'm a-coming. Come on out. Yeah, we hear you, Big Jake. You guys had your turnout yesterday. And you girls all of a sudden decided to not be broody and sit on those eggs back there. And I really need you to. Ooh, get those ants. All right. You guys do you. I got things to do. All right, so today we are going to make some herbal tinctures. So we are going to start out with, let me take a seat on it here, bucket. We're going to start with this absolutely gorgeous Munstead Lavender. I have here a 1/2 pint ball jar. And look, I got my setup out here. Got my vodka. Vodka is really good at pulling out the medicinal properties of the herbs. And so, I don't know if you know, but okay, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting while we talk. Okay, so let's see, let me get the angle here good. Well, when I reach over, I might. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and cut these off. I'm going to, hang on. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that. I'm going to have this extra cup here so I can put the clippings in there, and then I'll put those into the compost bin. All right, so we're just going to keep cutting them off. Oh, goodness. I've got to figure out how to use this thing to where when I bend over, you can still see what the heck I'm doing. All right. I don't want to waste anything here, so we're just going to take our time. We're going to cut all these off and stick them in the jar. Anyway, so while we talk, or while we cut, we're going to talk. So, first off, let's start by saying that when you deadhead although these are not dead, it promotes new flowers. So that's an amazing thing. Why are we using lavender in a tincture? Well, because lavender has some amazing properties to it, one of them being an antifungal property. It will be useful to put on wounds for wound healing. It is great for anxiety. It's great for relaxation. And so those are the things that we are looking for in making this tincture. So I can actually, oh gosh, it smells so amazing. Oh, wow. Anyway, you can actually use the tincture in, like, I could mix it with a little bit of an oil and rub it into my skin. The smell will be amazing. I can actually add some of the tincture to my diffuser at night for calming effects. Yes, we're gonna have lots of amazing benefits with this. I love that I can save myself a ton of money and grow my own herbs and benefit from my own herbs and my own garden. Absolutely love, love, love. So let's just keep getting some of these big stems going here. Oh, look at that little bouquet of goodness. Oh, so lovely. All right, let's just stick all of that down in there. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? All right, let's go ahead and keep picking. We're gonna just, we're just gonna keep picking. I'm sorry if this is aimed down while I'm picking, but I'm having to really reach back there at the back of the plant. Hang on. All right, there we go. All right, so let's hope we encourage some new growth to happen and new flowering to happen. Holy cow, I just can't even believe how amazing this smells. Literally. And I just love learning. The more and more I learn, the more and more Mother Nature just amazes me. Mother Nature amazes me. All right, well, we are running out of space in this here half-pint jar. So let's go ahead and push those down in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so delightful smelling. Oh man. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and grab our bottle of vodka, and we are gonna go ahead and cover we're gonna go ahead and cover the flowers. We are gonna give the jar enough space that we have the ability to disturb it, if you will, every day or every other day. All right, can you see that? Can you see the liquid where when I swish it back and forth? So now what we'll do with this is we will go ahead and put this in a spot in the house, a cool spot that out of the sun. So in a dark place if we can. It doesn't have to be dark, but I mean, I could literally leave it on the counter and that will be fine. But we are going to disturb it by doing this like every couple days. And in 2 to 6 weeks, this tincture will be ready to use. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and go up to the lemon balm and extract some lemon balm. sorry, not extract some lemon balm, but we're gonna harvest some lemon balm to put in our second jar, and its benefits are gonna be great too. So, all right, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little tiny bit, and we will be back with more videos later. And we might actually come out and pick again and get another tincture going in about, oh, I don't know, another week. Before I go to do the lemon balm tincture, I kind of wanted to share. Where's my hand? Oop, there we go. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. And there. Somewhere right there is a little tiny one, but I can't find it. Are the lavender cuttings we took from the very plant that I just harvested the lavender from. So this whole thing should be filled up with lavender next year. Yay, yes! I have moved up to the upper part of the garden, and I've got my empty ball jar here. I'm just going to set it right down into the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and harvest some lemon balm from our plant here, which hopefully when we do so, it'll promote the plant to get bushier and grow some more. So here we go. You're going to want to clip right here between those two branches. Can you see that? Can you see the new growth happening in between those two? You're going to clip right above that. Okay? And so let's just, there we go. So then we're going to take it and we'll put the leaves down in there, and then just take the clippers and clip them off of the stem. Alright. Let's come in here and do the same to this one. Can you see that new growth? Hold on, I'm going to zoom in closer once I get this in here. Alright. Alright, let me zoom in. Okay. You see that? See the new growth happening there? So that's what you kind of want to leave behind. We're going to take this down actually one more then, and look at that. You see that? See all of that new growth? That's going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and cut these off and cut this one off and let those new ones come out. All right. All right, let's go ahead and cut those off. And that one. Oh, that one looks great. Sorry, leaning forward is a must, and it keeps bringing things out of range of the camera when I do a little bit. Whoop. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clip this one off, and this one off, this one, and this one. Sorry, maybe I need to back up. I keep forgetting to back up. Let's see. There we go. I zoomed in and then forgot to zoom out, and then you guys weren't able to see what I was doing. Okay. All right. looks like we got a good amount in here. Maybe a little bit more. Let's see here. All right, that should be good. And we will come to check out the growth in a few days. You'll be amazed at how quickly it'll grow once you've given it a little haircut. All right, so there we go. We have our jar of lemon balm. Let's see if on here it actually says what this is. Popular for sachets and potpourri. Lemon scented leaves. Flowers in summer are not showy but do attract bees, so that's awesome too. Bring the bees to the garden. If I'm not mistaken, this is a good anti-anxiety, stress relieving herb. Sorry, I'm bending down to get the alcohol here for the tincture. And we are going to do the same thing we did before. So we're going to put enough to cover the leaves and give enough room that we can agitate it. And there we go. There is our second tincture of the day. So we will do the same, and 2 to 6 weeks, and it'll be ready to go. All right. So I hope you found this helpful, and we are going to do lots more tinctures this summer. We have some chamomile we'll be doing. What else are we going to be doing? Oregano tincture, maybe? All right, there we go. Y'all have a great day. And if you aren't subscribed already, we would love it if you would. It would sure help us out.